Hello, my name is Annie. I'm an editor, video editor for Excellence. Lagos Igbo Hangout. It was, in fact, I'm short of words. I can't even say it was amazing because it was more than amazing. The Lagos Igbo Hangout was a huge success. It was the talk of the town. And I'm really very privileged to have worked with the committee for the event. Working with the committee was really a great experience for me because first, there's something about meeting people that you don't know from anywhere for the first time, and you are working with them, like people you've known for ages. This was my experience, and for me, that was beautiful. So, I took up the responsibility for the letters we sent out, the sponsorship letters that we sent out to brands. And working on that was another beautiful experience for me, going back and forth with Susie, on that. So, but I loved it because, normally things that you would do that would take me days, 2 days, 1 day to come up with, I find myself doing it within hours. That was really fantastic for me. Honestly, I didn't know that I've improved that much in that area until this event. Like the event brought out some of the things that are already in me that I didn't know existed. So that for me was a glorious experience. Like it was a fabulous one, a phenomenal one, honestly. And then coming to the event proper, oh my goodness. I worked with the access control team, and being at the gate was it was all about it for me because I was just enjoying the Igbo culture, enjoying everyone coming from everywhere, all parts of Lagos. Some people flew in. Some people flew in. Yeah, they flew in for this event. And you need to see their dressing. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know what was going on inside. Being outside, being at the gate, like I was filled already because I saw Igbo culture come alive in Lagos. You need to see the way our people dressed. There is no kind of Igbo attire that was not present on that day. So that was it for me. And what perhaps in quotes, other people would have said it was a challenge. For me, I think it was also an opportunity to bring out what was already deposited in me. And what was that? That is, proffering a solution instead of making a complaint, looking out for a way where there seems to be no way. Because we got to a point where we sold out, like our tickets, our wristbands, everything sold out. And we had a lot of people at the gate. They were like, what's going to happen? We need to get it. And before you could know it, the idea came up. We could use marker. And I was like, please, guys, we need to get marker. And we started using marker and we started giving people access, like people were going in, and the event was a phenomenal one. It was a success. It was the first of its kind. It didn't look like a first time event for me. I would give us 10 over 10. It was our first, and we pulled it. We pulled it, and it was a memorable one. It's still a talk about, like people are still talking about the Lagos Igbo Hangout 2024. Like I'm so thankful to everyone that came out. I'm so thankful to Umpa for finding me worthy to work with him, to be in his team. I'm so grateful to the team, to the committee, to the volunteers, to everyone that came out. I'm so grateful to the sponsors. We had a lot of sponsors. Like, thank you, thank you, thank you to all our sponsors. Thank you to everyone that came out. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Mwah.